Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, ensure your workspace is safe and gather all necessary tools like wrenches, a serpentine belt tool, and a new alternator. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical shorts. This crucial step ensures your safety throughout the process. Next, you'll need to release the tension on the serpentine belt, often using a 19mm socket on the tensioner pulley. Once loose, remove the belt from the alternator. Then, disconnect the main power wire, typically a 12mm nut, and any other electrical connectors. Finally, unbolt the alternator, usually with 14mm and 12mm bolts, and carefully maneuver it out of its mounting. Now carefully position the new alternator into place, ensuring it aligns with the mounting points. Reinstall and tighten all mounting bolts. Reconnect the electrical wiring, starting with the main power cable and then any other connectors. Finally, route the serpentine belt back onto all pulleys and retension it properly. Double-check all connections for security. With the new alternator installed, reconnect the battery's negative cable. Start your engine and observe the dashboard. The battery warning light should turn off, indicating the new alternator is charging correctly. You can also test the output with a multimeter, aiming for 13.25 to 15 volts. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below. You'll also find other helpful deals there to make your life a little easier. Enjoy your fully functional vehicle.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.